here that Toby distribution their token like 1.442 million global wallets. So those wallets are somewhat like used for getting airdrop. Maybe those wallet get this Toby token totally free. Even included me, I gotten this token. You noticed my previous two video where I updated about Toby token that it price could be increased. You know, the middle video, the second video, if you noticed, where was uh, $22 worthwhile included like uh, this amount of Toby was at that time, and now this price is decreased, but it doesn't matter. If it listed on any exchanger, not yet this token is listed in any exchange except decentralized exchange, that is sushi swap. Okay, so if you noticed here, I've already showed you, and maybe okay, so maybe we will see CoinGecko. So if you noticed here to be .god, so if I click on market, maybe if you are not sure the sushi swap, it is listed. You can swap this token Toby to W Ethereum so easily in sushi swap. But now, till now, no exchange has been listed this token. So until I'm waiting, I never sold until it is listed on any exchanger. Okay, so you get this token. If you not checked your wallet yet, check out, because the distribution this token, um, they said here 1.42 million global wallets, 1% remain. Maybe it will be distribution gradually. So wait, you don't need to do anything here. There is no debt allocation or compensation, no funny business check it all on-chain burning IPQs, renouncing all get chat devs to check simple breakdown equals 70% community airdrop and 30% liquid LP reserve. So this is the thing, you know, they just want to marketing through distribution, and you are getting this token totally free. That is worthwhile. Okay, they just want to do business, but you ultimately, you are not wasting time here. You get something. $14 is so much 2 days. Okay, so this is the update. If you wanna sell this token, feel free, but I don't wanna, because it like once a time in the future would be listed on any exchanger. So at that time this price would be high, like could be here. So this is the thing I shared today. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy